Hey friends, if you wish to remove the CRC SHA entry from the context menu on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. When we open a folder and let's say we right click on that folder and we click on show more options, we obviously have the option for 7-zip, but at some cases it also shows the CRC SHA option. Now if it shows as a subset, people don't have a problem, but if it shows in the list, people want to remove it, though it is absolutely harmless. CRC means cyclic redundancy check. But if you want to remove it, then type the command 7-zip and then open the 7-zip file manager. Now this will only occur if 7-zip is installed, so you know if 7-zip is already installed on your system. Go to tools, select options, go to the 7-zip folder, uncheck the box associated with CRC SHA, click on apply, then on OK, and your problem has been solved. If it is not, then simply right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.